yellow in color, although they contain gene for green color, but due to environmental factor, the color changes to yellow. Okay, which was studied by Goldschmidt. So these scientists were there that studied this one, and this phenomenon is called, this phenomenon is known as, that is known as what? Phenology. So phenology is what? This is environmental factor that changes the original color. Okay, so this is phenology. Now, some term are there that you have to know, like eugenics. Come on, that what do you mean by eugenics? Eugenics. Now, here gene comes means what happens? This is related with genetics. So what we can say? Improvement of human race. Improvement of human race genetically by selective breeding is called eugenics. So what I told? Improvement of human race by genetics. Okay, now improvement of human race by genetics. Okay, by using selective breeding, by using selective breeding is known as eugenics. Okay, so GEN means genetics. So human race improvement with the help of genetics by using what? Selective breeding is known as eugenics. Now, this term was given by Galton. So, term eugenics was given by Galton. This term was given by the scientist Galton, and also this Galton is known as father of eugenics. So Galton known as father of eugenics. Now, like this eugenics, one term is there, that is a euphenics. So come on, that euphenics. Here you have to remember, this is genetically improvement. Now, euphenics, phenics means phenotype. Okay, so what happens? Euphenics, symptomatic treatment of genetic disease. Symptomatic treatment of genetic disease of man is known as euphenics. So that is known as what? Symptomatic treatment. of genetic disease of man is known as euphenics. Now, last term is euthenics. Euthenics. Now, here TChem means environmental factor. So, improvement of human race by improving environmental condition is called euthenics. So, what I told, improvement of human race by improving environmental, environmental factors or conditions is known as euthenics. Okay, so that is known as what? Euthenics. Now you understood. Eugenics means related with genetics. Euphenics means symptomatic treatment of genetic disorder. And euthenics means improvement of human race by improving environmental conditions is called what? Euthenics. Okay. Now, so this chapter is being over. Okay. Now we have to come on some term is there like, what is that? Like bar body. So come on that. What do you mean by bar body? One scientist were there. Their name is Bar and Burton. Okay, Bartman or Burton. So it was discovered by Bar and Bartman. Okay, so it was discovered by what? Bar and Bartman. And where it is discovered? In the interphase. Okay, interphase stage of nerve cell of female cats. So it was found in interphase stage of nerve cells of female cats. Now this you have to remember where it was found first. So interphase stage of nerve cells of female cats. Okay. Now it is appearing as a drumstick. So it appears as what? Drumstick. Appears as drumstick. Okay, it appears as drumstick. And these are what? Sex chromatin. Drumstick and are sex chromatin. Okay, these are what? Sex chromatin that are present in a neutrophil of females. Okay, so and are sex chromatin found in neutrophils of female. Now this is having value number of X chromosome -1. So what I told, the number of bar body, always they are asking question, the number of bar body is always, what I told, less than 1. Okay, so always less than the number of chromosome, which chromosome? X chromosome -1. So always less than number of X chromosome -1. Okay, Now, many questions I have seen are related with that. So we have to see that in tabular form. Like first we are seeing normal female. So normal female having what? X. This is the normal female. So what will be the number of bar body? So number of bar body will be equal to 2 here, 2 minus 1, so will be 1. Now if we are saying normal male, so normal male having XY, so here number of bar body will be 1 is only, so 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here you have to give attention, normal male don't have bar body. Okay, come on, Klinefelter syndrome. Klinefelter syndrome. Now in Klinefelter syndrome, how much is there? X, X, Y. So here how much will come? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So Klinefelter syndrome having bar body 1. If we are coming on Turner syndrome, so come on that. Turner syndrome. So here what happened? X naught. So same 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So this question already came. Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome having what? Klinefelter syndrome having 1 bar body and Turner syndrome having 0 bar body. Okay, they don't have bar body. Okay, now come on next term, that is IQ, intelligent quotient. Now, this IQ is what? It is a measurement of intelligence. Okay, it is a measurement of intelligence that governed by set of 11 genes. It is measurement of intelligence and is governed by set of 11 genes. So 11 genes are combinedly responsible for any one intelligence or IQ value. Okay. Now this IQ mathematically represented as mental age by actual age into 100. So what I told? IQ is mathematically represented as. So what we can say? IQ is equal to mental age by actual age into 100. For example, 10-year baby contained mental intelligence of 13 years. So what will be the IQ? So IQ will be 13 by 10 into 100. So how much it will come? 130. So this is the IQ level of what? 10-year baby. Understood? So in this way IQ is being measured. Okay. Now one last topic is there, that is known as a test blindness. So come on that. taste blindness, or it is also known as taste blindness of PTC. Okay. Now PTC means phenyl thiocarbamide. It is having full form phenyl thiocarbamide. Now in the world, what happens? About 30% of people lack the ability to taste PTC. Okay, and those having PTC inability to taste, that is having what? Taste blindness of PTC disorder. So, what I told, this disorder was discovered by scientist name is Fox. Okay, so that is discovered by Fox, and this was discovered in 1932. Here what happens? This is what? It is a dominant genetic trait disorder. Okay, it is what? It is a dominant genetic trait disorder having unable to taste PTC, which is sour in taste. Okay, so how much I told? About 30% people of the world. So about 30% people in the world lack the ability to taste PTC, phenyl thiocarbamide. Okay. Now, so this is what? This is, you have to remember, it is a dominant genetic trait disorder. Okay. And what do you mean by this PTC? So this is the full form phenyl thiocarbamide. Here what happens? How much is there? 30% people, that is lacking the ability to taste PTC. So this is regarding with your what? All the topics covered, that one in the principle of inheritance and variation. Now come on some questions related to this, then after that we'll start next chapter, molecular basis of inheritance. So first question we have to see. First question is that Y chromosome does not determine sex. What I told? Y chromosome does not determine sex. Okay, Y chromosome does not determine sex, but it is required for male fertility. But it is required for male fertility in. Okay, now options are there. First option is human. Next option is a grasshopper. Next option is a Drosophila. And next option is none of these. And we know that Y chromosome determines sex in grasshopper also, human also, but that is not determining in Drosophila, but it is responsible for their fertility, male fertility. So what will be the answer? Drosophila. Now, next question, come on. Next question is that X-ray causes mutation. Okay, what is that? X-rays causes mutation was recognized in animals first by. So X-rays causing mutation was recognized in animals first by. So who recognized that one? Options are there. H. J. Muller. First is H. J. Muller, Stanley. Next is Stanley. Third one is Punnett. And last one is Batson. Okay. So here H. J. Muller was first, that showing that X-ray causes what? Mutation in animals. Okay. Next question is Cry-du-Chet syndrome involved. Cry-du-Chet syndrome involves. Okay, we know that Cry-du-Chet means cat cry syndrome. The baby running like cat cry. Okay, they are crying like cat. That's why it is known as Cry-du-Chet syndrome. Now, what happens here? First is a deletion of short of fourth chromosome. First option, deletion of short arm of fourth chromosome. This is the first option. Next is duplication in 22nd chromosome. Duplication in 22nd chromosome. Third is deletion in short arm of fifth chromosome. Deletion in short arm of fifth chromosome. And last one is translocation. Now, as we already studied this one, Cry-du-Chet syndrome involves what? Deletion in short arm of fifth chromosome. So this is the right option. Now, next question is which of the following Mendelian disorder, come on that, which of the following Mendelian disorder, okay, which of the following Mendelian disorder is associated with malfunctioning of ion channel, is associated with malfunctioning of ions channels. Okay, malfunctioning of ion channels and correlates with chromosome number 7 and correlates with chromosome number 7. And we know this one, what? This is cystic fibrosis, already we studied. So here options are there. First, hemophilia. Second, color blindness. Third, cystic fibrosis. And fourth, none. So what will the answer here? Cystic fibrosis, where what happens? Malfunctioning of ions channels occurs, correlates with chromosome number 7. Okay. Now next question is, come on that. Now, next question is qualitative problem. What we it is there? Qualitative. So qualitative problem of synthesizing and incorrect functioning of globin. So qualitative. Here you have to understand quantitative one is there, that is thalassemia. This is qualitative problem of synthesizing. Okay, so qualitative problem of synthesizing and incorrect functioning of hemoglobin and incorrect functioning of hemoglobin is. So where it is happening? Sickle cell anemia. Options are there. First is sickle cell anemia, SCA. Second is alpha thalassemia. Next is beta thalassemia. And next is Alzheimer's disease. So what will happen? Sickle cell anemia. It is what? Qualitative. If they are asking about quantitative, so it will be the quantitative. Now this you have to remember. Qualitative problem occurs in where? Sickle cell anemia. Now one question is there. Consanguineous matting is represented by. We have seen this one in pedigree analysis. So consanguineous matting is represented by symbol. So what are the symbol that denotes consanguineous matting? So first is, next is, next is, and next one is none. And we know that what is that consanguineous marriage or matting? This is closed relative marriage. That happens in where? In the some religion like Muslims and in the South Indians. Okay, so close the relative marriage happens in that is having what? Consanguineous matting, that is denoted with this symbol. Okay, now next question we have to see, that are some important questions belongs to the already asked in the medical examination. So come on that, what are the questions are there? Number of Barr body is found. Okay, question is number of Barr body is found in this female. Okay, now options are there. First is 2, 3, 4 and 4 is 1. And we know that if anyone is having number of bar body, so their formula is number of bar body recently we seen is equal to number of X chromosome minus 1. So this is the how much X chromosome are there? 4. So 4 minus 1 will be equal to 3. So how much number of bar body will be here? That is 3. Now next question is there. A and B genes are linked. A and B genes are linked. Okay, these genes are linked. What will be genotype of progeny? What will be genotype of progeny? Okay, progeny means offspring. What will the genotype of progeny in a cross between? In a cross between this one AB and AB. Okay, so first we have to see options. What are the options are there? First option is there AABB and AABB, small b. Now second option is there AABB and small a, that is recessive one. So this one. Third one is there AABB and small b. Okay, and the fourth one given none. Now they are telling what crosses occurs. So come on that crosses. Here given AB crosses with AB. So simplify we what AABB crosses with AABB. Now, if we are coming on their gametes, because here asking what progeny genotype. So first this is the parental character. Now come on their gametes. So here how much gametes will come? 4 types of gametes because 2 heterozygous condition is there and 2 to the power n means 2 to the power 2, so it will be coming 4. Now come on here. So first is A B, here capital A small a capital B, small b, and here which type is there? Only one, so small a small b. Now what will be the offspring? Here 4 offsprings will come. So first we have to see this one will match. So A capital B small a. First is this. Second one we have to see it will come capital A small b small b. Third one will come like that. So small a capital B small b, and the fourth one will come small b. Now we have to see which of the things are there. So capital A small b is there? No. So this option is wrong. Now this one capital A capital B small b. So capital A this one came, and a small b. This one also came. So this is the right one. Next see here capital A capital B here also not coming. So this is not the answer. So what will be the answer here? What are the genotype of progeny in across this one? So capital A, capital B, small b, and small b, small b. This is the question of Jipmer. Okay. So this type of questions are coming. Now come on next question. Now In next question is there, probability of 4 son to a couple is. What is the probability? Probability of 4 son. Okay, what they are telling? Probability of 4 son to a couple. To a couple is. So what will be the probability that a couple having? Okay. Now here options are there: 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8 and 1 by 16. Okay, so these are the options here. Now we know that probability of first son. So first son probability will be